Today, I'm gonna show you my 1979 Chevy K10. What do you guys think? I mean, it looks a little rough on the outside, of course, but you know, for being 44 years old, if I'm doing my math correctly, is that 44 years old? Not good at math. 44 years old, so my math was right, okay? Fuck off. Now, I know on the exterior, it kind of looks a little rough. That's because it is a little rough. It's 44 years old. From what I know, most of its life was spent out in Wyoming, then traveled to Idaho, and then Utah, and now here it is in Vegas. What I intend to do with this truck, I'm going to restore it back to its glory days. It's going to cost me a ton of money, in which I created a Patreon page. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description below, and 100% of the proceeds will go to the restoration of this beautiful rusty truck. Anybody that puts their dime into this will also have their name written on the headliner, which is a cool thing. Without further ado, let's do a walk around to see the current condition of the truck, and it'll be really cool to have a side-by-side comparison for when it's completed. See what I mean? Lots of work needs to be done, but don't worry, I'm dedicated to getting this done. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. You're probably asking yourself, why would I dump a lot of time and money into this truck? This truck has history. This truck was somebody's first truck. This was a grocery getter. This was a ranch truck. This was somebody's high school truck. The last person that I bought this from, to my knowledge, it was his first vehicle in high school. And so when he sold it to me, I could see the heartbreak, the same heartbreak I had when I got rid of my K5 Blazer. What I wanted to do for him, and I hope you're watching, is I took a couple photos of the truck and framed them, and I'm going to send them to you just as a gift, because I know that a first truck is a vehicle that you'll remember forever. And I hope that you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If I was born in 1979, how old would I be?
Sorry,
What? What? If I was born in 1979, how old would I be?
Sorry, something's wrong. Please try again.
Fuck you, Siri.